Hi, we are now like 4 weeks into the restoration of my old Mercedes. So this is the day when I start the rebuild. The last 4 weeks has been to strip down the car and sandblasted the chassis and all other parts, the front subframe, rear subframe, upper and lower, control arms, spinals, sway bar, a lot of things. And here's the trunk, sand grind everything down. Take some time, and there's some rust to fix here. Otherwise it's pretty fine. And the chassis, it's 50 years old, so some rebuild to do there. And here I've cut it out, the parts for blasting. Some holes here in the trunk, of course. Let's change that one. So the new door sills. Some extra holes here, but otherwise it looks quite nice. And a lot of new parts, new inner sealing will be black instead of white. Ceilings for the B-pillar, all the bushings for the whole car, the steering, new Bilstein dampers. Been I've looked around, but I ordered the Bilstein B4 for the R17. It's a little bit shorter than the other one. I'm gonna lower the car, so I think that will be nice. And the engine, I'll not do anything with the engine this summer. The goal is to drive the car this summer again, and during the winter I will do some mods on the engine. Now it's a diesel making 7.5 millimeter pump, and own built exhaust. It's an Holset HX40, and I'm loading about 3 bars, so it's probably around 450 horsepower now. And the plan this winter is to build a compound turbo. The aim is to have over 500 horsepower for this car. Next one will be more. We'll see. Haven't decided what the next car will be, but probably w115, the QP, with probably M104, with maybe 600-700 horsepower. Yeah, we'll see. Yes. See you later.